6-meter wide preservation line installation site. Hello everyone, this is Sarah from Qinggong Machinery. I'm in the customer site. Today I will introduce 6-meter steel plate blasting painting driving line for you. That including 3 parts. The first is the short blasting, second part is the painting, and the third is the driving. Okay, we can see this part is the short blasting machine. The steel plate on the roller conveyor then transport into the blasting chamber. We can see the diameter of the roller conveyor and the distance of each them. So that is the best loading capacity. Patent abrasive cleaning system that remove all the abrasive on the steel plate. Ensure the cleaned steel plate into the painting chamber. Okay, the second is the painting chamber. Follow with me. In my right hand is the painting chamber. The width for this painting chamber is 6 meters. Special design painting gun ensures the painting effective. This is the driving chamber is installation, and we can see this is the slide conveyor. Transport the steel plate and light it right. Bigger dryer. This is the preservation line in installation. We will show you more video and working video in the future. Follow with me. Bye. See you next time.